back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be making cake. You can either make vanilla cake, chocolate cake, or both. I'm going to be making both vanilla and chocolate in one batter. So what you'll need first, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, 4 eggs, and 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You will need 2 tablespoons of vanilla powder, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and if you want it chocolate and vanilla, then you pour half of the batter in and then put 2 to 3 cups of cacao in the next batter and mix, and then you put it in the batter. Okay, so first and last but not least, you have to use the blender, and of course the cake, and then 2 empty bowls. So first, I'm gonna be putting 1/2 cup vegetable oil in the blender, 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to be measuring 1/4 cup. And there we go. Now I'm going to be putting it in the blender for 10 seconds and then adding 1 egg at a time, or a little bit at a time. So I'll be back after I blend it. Okay guys, so I just finished with mixing the mix. And here I put a little bit corn oil on it and then a little bit flour and mixed it good. Now I'm going to be putting my vanilla in, and when I put half of it, I'll see you guys. Okay, so I just put some of the vanilla. I'm going to put my cacao in here. Mix it. You want to mix it really good so when you eat the cake, there's no bumps or anything. So I'm going to mix it. Now when I'm done mixing, I'll be back. I mixed the cacao. If you want it darker, or if you're doing the whole mixed cacao, I think you should put more. So I'm gonna pour it in here and I'll be. Okay guys, so here's my cacao. If you want to do the whole thing chocolate, I think you should put 5 tablespoons. If you want to make it like marble, you can put all of it chocolate and put like a spoon of vanilla and put it under and take it up like this. And then if you want it vanilla and just put a little bit chocolate, you just take this spoon and go like this. So here's mine. It's gonna be called marble. And when I'm done, I'm gonna be showing it to you. So my oven's ready at 350. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. And when it's done, I'll see you guys. See you guys. I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'll show it to you.